Hello, I'm Design Guy. I'll show you how to design stunning PowerPoint slides quickly using Canva's free tools. First, click the Create button. Next, choose the presentation option from the available menu. Once you see the presentation option again, select it to continue setting up your new project. Next, you'll see a variety of templates displayed here. For example, if your PowerPoint presentation is about marketing, you can select a related template from the list. Browse through the options to find one that matches your needs, then click to select it. To create a basic map, open the Mapping tool and select New Map. Add your data by uploading a file or entering addresses. Customize the appearance by choosing colors and labels, then save your map. Here are a few examples you can use. Apply them, and the system will load all of your content, making sure everything appears correctly as expected. Everything is now available on this screen. Edit any existing information as needed, and add any additional details required to complete your update before saving your changes. This is your presentation. You can add a transition to enhance how slides change. To do this, select the slide you want to apply the transition to. Then go to the Transitions tab at the top of the screen. Choose a transition style from the available options to apply to your slide. You can also apply this setting across all pages in your document. Simply select the option to enable it, and the changes will automatically update for every page. This ensures a consistent layout or style is applied throughout your entire project. After you've applied those changes, check the words that were added here. Now add any additional words that are still needed to complete your list. Make sure everything required is included before continuing. Click Add Page to insert a new page into your project. After adding the page, set the timing duration to 1.5 seconds. This ensures your content displays for the proper amount of time before moving to the next page, creating a smooth viewing experience. After you finish editing your transition, click the Share button. Then, choose the option to save your presentation as a PowerPoint file, so we can continue with the next step. Click here to set this as your presentation. Then, simply click the Download button to save your presentation to your device. That's it. You're all done. You learned how to make a PowerPoint presentation using Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.